Can a commission of inquiry send you to jail? Many people think it can, but the truth may surprise you. Today, let's break this down in simple terms so every South African can understand it. A commission of inquiry is an official investigation set up by the president. This power comes from the Constitution, specifically Section 84, subsection 2, paragraph F of the Constitution of South Africa, Act 108 of 1996, which gives the president the various powers to perform certain functions relating to his office, which among them is the appointing of commissions of inquiry. Now, what does that mean in plain language? Okay, it means when something serious happens in the country, like corruption, abuse of power, or national crisis, the president can appoint a team to investigate and find the truth. In this, the team here, they are referring to the Commission of Inquiry as the topic of our video today. Meaning, he can also appoint other uh, organs of state, appointing, for example, ambassadors, plenipotentiary, diplomatic, and consular officials, as well as summoning the National Assembly, National Council of Provinces or Parliament, signing or assenting to bills. These are some of his responsibilities. In our case, that means when something serious happened in the country, like corruption, as I've said, the president can appoint a team to investigate and find the truth of what maybe will be being alleged, either by on the media or by members of the public reporting a matter to the office of the president. Because the office of the president is a national public office from to which any person who is affected by the action of any organ of state can go and lay or allege that something has happened, or his rights are affected, or maybe something is not going right in the space where he is working or staying. Yes, as you might remember that the previous presidents had a presidential hotline, a line which you could use to uh, report or lay a claim uh, straight through to the office of the president. Now, under the commissions of inquiry, the president in the past, President Zuma, President Ramaphosa, and maybe others, has appointed commissions once or twice. It depends. But a good example is the Zondo Commission, which investigated state capture and corruption in South Africa in the past years. But here is where many people get confused. A commission of inquiry is not a court. It does not have the power to convict you. It does not have the power to sentence you. It does not send people to prison directly. This is a surprise to us who don't know what actually are these commissions able to do or are empowered to do if and when they are appointed to perform their duties. That is what the commission can't do. It does not have the power to convict you. It does not have the power to sentence you, and does not send people to prison directly. So what can it do? It has strong powers under the Commissions Act of 1947 as amended. It can call you to come and testify, force you to bring documents, ask you questions under oath. And this is serious because when you testify, you are under oath, just like in court. Now, here's the important part. If you refuse to appear, refuse to answer questions, or lie under oath, you can be charged with contempt of the commission. And that is where jail can come in, not from the commission itself, but through the courts. So the commission finds the truth and the courts enforce the law. After the investigation, the commission writes a report and gives it to the president. That report may lead to criminal cases, disciplinary action, policy changes. So even though it cannot punish directly, its findings can change lives, careers, and even lead to prosecutions. Now, what does this mean for you as an ordinary citizen? If you are called by a commission, take it seriously. Show up, tell the truth, know your rights, but also respect the process. If you want to understand your rights, your government, and how the law affects your daily life, follow this channel. This is law made simple for the people of South Africa. I thank you, and I will see you in the next one.